In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to zoom Yahoo Mail text for easier reading. Let's start by getting you logged into your Yahoo Mail account. Begin by navigating to the Yahoo Mail login page. This is your entry point to accessing your emails, so it's crucial to get this right. Once you're there, you'll need to type in your Yahoo email address. It's important to enter it carefully to avoid any login issues down the line. Make sure every letter is correct, and when you feel confident you've entered it correctly, you'll notice a Next button on the page. Go ahead and click on it to proceed. Next, you'll need to enter your password. This part is crucial for ensuring your account security, so it's always a good idea to double-check your entry. Once your password is successfully typed in, you will again see the Next button. Make sure to click it to continue the login process. At this stage, if everything's been entered correctly, you should be taken directly to your Yahoo Mail inbox, where all your messages await. Now, let's focus on the main part, how to adjust the text size for easier reading in Yahoo Mail. One practical and straightforward method to do this is by using your browser's built-in zoom function. While you're logged into your Yahoo Mail, hold down the Control key on your keyboard. With this key pressed, use your mouse scroll wheel to zoom in or out. Scrolling forward will increase the size of the text and images on the page, making everything larger and easier to see. If you overshoot or need to make adjustments, just scroll back to reduce the zoom level to your liking. It's really a handy way to ensure you don't miss any important details in your emails. If you prefer a more precise control over the zoom level, you can also find the zoom function in most browser settings under View, where you can adjust the zoom percentage manually. Explore these options to find what feels most comfortable and intuitive for your workflow. Remember, adjusting the display to suit your needs can significantly enhance your email experience. Whenever you find the text hard to read, don't hesitate to use this zoom feature. By following these simple steps, you can make your browsing and reading experience much more pleasant and accessible. That brings us to the end of today's instructional guide. I hope you found this video helpful, and that you're now able to navigate your Yahoo Mail with greater ease. Thanks for watching, and have a great day.